Good evening and welcome back. Happy 4th of July weekend. We're only 4 days away from July 4th here. Super humid conditions are going to continue as we go into our weekend. The mid-80s are going to be our temperature theme for us. It's what we've had the last few days. Daily storm chances stick around too, and some of those could be strong to severe. In fact, parts of western Kentucky are once again getting hit with some severe weather here as we speak this evening. We've got a severe thunderstorm watch in south central parts of the state, including Russell and Wayne County until midnight tonight. You can see some severe storms there just to the east of Bowling Green, a few more south of Evansville, and a few north of Paducah. We're going to continue to see those storms move more towards a south-southeast trend, not likely getting anywhere near central or eastern Kentucky until overnight tonight. There's a level 2 risk where those storms have fired up today, and they're kind of following along down through Nashville and into Huntsville where those storm tracks are projected to go. But as the evening goes on, we're going to see more spawn and move towards us, and by early tomorrow morning we could be talking some stronger storms in the mix as well. Now, this is not the only chance we have for this tomorrow. There's again a level 3 risk in the same location we've got storms right now, and level 2 for everybody else across the Commonwealth, and it doesn't stop there. We keep it going into Sunday as well. Multiple rounds of strong to severe storms seem likely for us as we head into the weekend. Futurecast doing an okay job of picking up what's going on there. It's a little bit behind schedule, it seems, for what's already been taking place, but it does send those storms to the south and does not bring us anything on Futurecast until after midnight. Now, if we say that Futurecast is about 2 hours off, this would actually be closer to about 11:30 rather than 1:30. So we'll have to live track as these storms fire up, but it does say that we're going to get a cluster of storms into the early hours on Saturday morning, and they move into eastern Kentucky by daybreak. We're going to see another scattered round of showers and storms move in for us through midday, and then we'll have a drier period in the afternoon before a few stray showers start to spawn up Saturday night, and yet another round of strong to potentially severe storms start to roll in overnight Saturday into Sunday morning. Another round of heavy rain, frequent lightning, and the chance for some localized flooding on top of the hail, wind, and potentially isolated tornadic threat that we could see. The big reason that all those storms are staying to the west, look how toasty those temperatures were earlier today. Upper 90s, a couple breaking 100. Our problem has been clouds. Again, we only hit 84 so far today because of cloud cover sticking around pretty much all day long. This satellite image shows us the visible cloud cover that's been sitting over the state pretty much all day. Areas that didn't have it, look how the storms blossom up from all that heat and humidity. One little push and everything takes off. Temperatures right now still in the low 80s. This is a misread. That is actually not working, that sensor in Bowling Green, but it is very, very humid. We've got low to mid, upper 70s even in areas that are seeing those storms with the dew points there now. So we've got plenty of juice, plenty of heat, and we're going to see those chances continue all weekend long. 86 both days for us, overnight lows in the 70s, and that's how it's going to continue as we get closer to Monday and Tuesday as well. Still some storm chances in there for us Monday and Tuesday, but a lot lesser in those chances. Temperatures staying in the mid-80s, and it stays humid across the entire week. We keep that going into the middle of next week as well, with a few more storms by the end of the week too.